In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to find your Bitcoin wallet inside of Coinbase. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Coinbase on either the website or your smartphone device. Then from here, it should look something like this after you have logged into your account. Then from here, you need to go down to the menu down in the bottom and go to the Explorer page right here. Now it's going to look something like this. And from here, you need to click Transfer and click Receive Crypto. Then from here, you will see a list of all these cryptocurrencies, and to find the Bitcoin wallet, you need to click Bitcoin. Now from here, you'll need to select a network, and it's very important that you choose the correct network. All of these will be different wallet addresses, so you need to choose the correct one. Then from here, you need to click on it, and you'll see a QR code that other people can scan to send you cryptocurrencies, and you can see your wallet address where you can clip it to your clipboard down here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!